If you wear hearing aids, you may be shortening their lifespan without even realizing it. When hearing aids fail before their expected lifespan, which is usually around 5 years, it's almost never random. It's usually caused by everyday habits that no one warns you about, and some of these habits can quietly shorten the life of your hearing aids by years, or lead to unnecessary repairs that could have been avoided. I'm Dr. Shaina Stapleton, audiologist and founder of Better Hearing Rehabilitation Center in Durham, North Carolina. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make your hearing aids last as long as possible, including the one step most people skip every night. Tip number 1, moisture is the silent killer. If I could give you one rule to extend the life of your hearing aids, it would be this. This is the one step most people skip every single night. Moisture is enemy number 1. Even if your hearing aids are water resistant, that does not mean moisture proof. Sweat, humidity, and condensation slowly damage microphones and electronics from the inside. If your lifestyle means your hearing aids are regularly exposed to moisture from perspiration, outdoor humidity, or an active routine, you should store them in a drying system every night. Not a cup, not a drawer, a real electronic dehumidifier. This one habit alone can dramatically reduce repairs. Fortunately, many modern hearing aids come with smart chargers that also act as a drying system while your hearing aids are charging. And in a few moments, I'll tell you why putting hearing aids in rice doesn't actually solve the problem. Tip number 2, clean them, but not like that. Most people clean their hearing aids, just not correctly. Here's what not to do. Don't routinely clean your hearing aids with alcohol wipes. In clinic, we may use alcohol wipes in a very controlled way. But for daily home care, they do more harm than good. No water, no baby wipes, and absolutely no toothbrush under the sink. Instead, wipe them daily with a dry, soft cloth. Change wax guards as needed. This should be your first troubleshooting step if your hearing aids start to sound weak or dead. Brush microphones gently using the tool provided. Earwax is acidic. Over time, it damages internal components. A 30-second clean can prevent months of performance issues. Tip number 3, take care of your charger. This one surprises people. Your hearing aid charger is not just a charger. It's part of the health system of the device. What hurts hearing aids? Leaving them in hot cars, charging them near windows, storing them in bathrooms. Heat slowly degrades batteries and internal electronics. Charging ports are also delicate. Avoid cleaning them with alcohol or liquid cleaners. A dry cloth or gentle air is usually enough. Best practice, cool, dry, consistent location. Same place every night, away from direct sunlight. Small habit, big payoff. Tip number 4, if you wear RIC hearing aids, protect the receiver. If you wear RIC hearing aids, this part is especially important. The thin wire that runs from the hearing aid to the speaker in your ear isn't just plastic. It's a precision component called the receiver. Bending it sharply, twisting it in the wrong direction, or pinching it during removal or cleaning can weaken the internal wire over time. That's one of the most common reasons I see sound cutting in and out. To be extra careful, always remove your hearing aids by holding the body, not the wire. When inserting them, let the wire follow its natural curve. Never twist it around or bend it backward. Treat the wire gently and you'll dramatically reduce early receiver failure. Tip number 5, stop DIY fixing your hearing aids. Changing dome types or parts without guidance often leads to poor sound quality, feedback, over or under amplification, and frustration that makes people think their hearing aids don't work. If something doesn't sound right, it's often a maintenance or programming issue, not a device failure. Quick check-ins save devices. Tip number 6, batteries matter more than you think. For disposable batteries, store them at room temperature. Don't peel the tab until you're ready to use them. Let them breathe for 1 to 2 minutes before inserting. It's also wise to check the expiration date when purchasing batteries. If it's less than 2 to 3 years out, they've likely been sitting on the shelf a long time and are more likely to be faulty, which can cause hearing aids to die quickly, cut in and out, or make unexpected sounds. Bad batteries won't damage your hearing aids, but they can create symptoms that mimic device failure. For rechargeable hearing aids, avoid running them completely dead every day. Consistent charging extends battery lifespan. And no, They cannot be overcharged. The rice myth. Remember the rice trick. Rice can absorb surface moisture. It does nothing for internal condensation. It's like drying a flooded house with a towel on the porch. If moisture is a recurring issue, drying systems aren't optional. They're protective equipment. What actually shortens hearing aid life the most? If I had to summarize the biggest threats: 1. Moisture; 2. Heat; 3. Wax buildup; 4. Improper handling, not brand. Not cheap devices, daily care matters. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on hearing health, hearing aids, and ways to live fully with better hearing.